Karen Read was back in court today with her civil attorneys. This is the case where John O'Keefe's family is suing Karen Read civilly for wrongful death. Why are we back in court today? Well, there's been a lot of controversy about Karen Read's phones. Remember, the Norfolk District Attorney's Office still has her phones. They haven't released them to her, but John O'Keefe's family and their attorneys want her phones. They want to extract those phones. They want all the data off those phones. They want everything. They put a preservation order in existence in that, and they wanted to be heard on that. Also remember that Mark Diller stated that Karen Read had made some statements about whether or not or what's on her phones. And guess what? Buckle up, babes. They were in court today, and it was a big nothing burger. When I say nothing burger, they met, they went behind the scenes and talked for a little bit in the judge's chambers. They came out. The judge said, okay, put it on the record. Mark Diller got up and said, listen, Judge, the parties have stipulated to something when Karen Read gets her phone. Karen Read's lawyer said, when we get the phones, we'll download it. And if there's any pertinent information, we'll hand it over. But we'll have an agreement between the parties before we hand anything over. And then Mark Diller got up, and I kid you not, publicly apologized to Karen Read for misquoting her. That's right. So, I kid you not. So, it's a big hub-to-do about nothing. The court session lasted about 5 minutes. It took more time for the people to get into the courtroom, sit down, and wait for the judge to come through than the proceeding took. So it's a big much to do about nothing. If you want a full look at the hearing, and also there was a hearing yesterday, I covered both of those on my YouTube page. Just go to Karen Read and you'll see it says hearing March 5th and March 6th. The Karen Read saga will continue. This is a civil case. It's going to be for a long time. And also remember, Karen Read is suing everyone. That's in federal court. Today's court hearing takes place in Plymouth, which is in Massachusetts. Take a deep breath. It's a lot. Karen Read and everything is just, it's a lot. But make sure to like and follow if you want to hear more updates in the Karen Read case. On the YouTube page, I go over the filing, the motion that Mark Diller quoted Karen Read, and you'll see exactly what he said and his apology. Make sure to like and follow if you want to hear more about Karen Read, Corey Richins, and other things. You don't want to miss anything.